Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on another layout 2 weeks in a row. I'm going to try and make it a mission. If you look at the title, it says, 2 of 100. So I'm trying to get 100 scrapbooking process videos this year. Now that doesn't include whatever I do on Thursdays, because that's a total different things. That's the number of lives I want to do this year. So I really like this. And I cut down 2 pictures. This has the Simple Stories journal, like the collection, The Simple Life. And I really like it. When I looked at that, it made me think of, like a swamp or the woods. And then I just went through my pictures and I grabbed those. Another thing that I'm really trying to do this year is really, journaling as soon as I finish the page. It doesn't mean that I'm going to do it on video, because I find I'll make mistakes, like spelling mistakes and all that stuff if I'm not concentrating. But as soon as I turn off the video, then I'll go and, journal. So, and oh, good news. I found this in my stash. It was where I keep my big stamps for some reason, like the big tall ones. And I have 2021 to 2020 to 2023, which I didn't think I had. I felt really sad about that because it's, one thing I want to do is stamp the date right away. I don't want to write it. I want to stamp it. And I was like, I don't know if I can, find the right stamps, but I did. Okay, what I think I'm going to do, I have no idea what I'm doing, first of all, but I might do something like this and do that on top here. I thought maybe of putting some pattern paper here too. Maybe like that. I'm not sure. Or maybe the same way as this, and just cut it down a little bit and just have some sticking out. I don't know. I don't know what I like. I know this is too long, but maybe if I do just a little bit like this and kind of bring that together. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty, but it's big. I'm just wondering. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. Okay, let's cut a couple pieces here and see if I like that. It's just hard for me to imagine with the long piece, so I'd rather just do this. How about, I almost thought of matting that frame like that. I don't know. Or just doing this. I just don't like that it's the same, like it's almost the same color. This is more like a tan and this is white, but it's still kind of tone on tone. So that's why I'm trying to do something to make it stand out, right? But I'm not sure if that blue is the right choice, or maybe I can just do this. Let's cut a piece that's big enough for this. So let's cut it right here. I was wondering where all like the Simple Life embellishments and stuff was at. Didn't have a clue. It was tucked away, and that is the main reason why I want to put everything back together, in an iris container, because half the stuff I don't even know where it is. And I have too many of these with partial kits in it and partial pattern papers. It's a great idea. Don't get me wrong. I got so many pages done because I keep reusing the page kits. Great idea. But I think it's something that I need to kind of take back control once in a while. And right now is that time. Because I think I probably have 150 of those all together, and it's too much. It's too much. I need to rein it back, put everything where it needs to go. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the pattern papers with Simple Stories, and I'm putting the embellishments with the same company. One thing I did notice is that, let's say 49 in Market and Simple Stories, that iris container is filling up fast. So I'm like, okay, what am I going to do? Am I going to take a couple more containers and make more of that company? Or do I start dividing already the ones that, you know, belong together, and then put them in a plastic bag that says Simple Stories, and then I put the pattern papers with it too? I'm really not sure what I'm going to do, but I have to figure it out soon because, like I said, it's getting full. Okay, so my phone rang, and I don't know what I was saying, but it's all good. We'll just keep going here. This is probably one collection that I've almost used to zero. Like, I love this collection so much. So much that I went back and I got the 6x8 because I had so many leftover embellishments and I wanted to use them as much as possible. So I went and got the 6x8, and I still have a ton of stickers and all that stuff. I'm going to try and make those equal. I think I want to do this. I was going to maybe cut that off, but instead I think I will do that with that cluster there. And I have this frame, and I just don't know what I want to do with it. Oh, this, I thought maybe I wanted it to go, but no, I think I decided to go this way instead and put that frame there. So that's going to add me an extra photo. I'm not going to add it right now because I don't know what photo I want to do, but I'm going to do a photo there. Just like that. I think it just gives it a different look. I like that. That's sort of like, I don't think I need to do 3 embellishment clusters because this is going to be good enough. I might do this and something else though, or maybe just this. I don't know. Don't know. See, I find that's a lot of journaling, but that's okay. Or maybe I can do hello. Hello. I think I like that. Why not? I don't know if there's any more tags that I could use, maybe a different tag, but I like this hello, so I'm just going to use it. It's a little crooked. So I'm going to fix that. And I'm going to put that here. Just like that. Now we'll do this cluster. I'll put all this, and then I'll try to find some embellishments from the collection. I just haven't been using my digital files lately a lot, so I'm like, you know what? This had quite a few digital files, so let's try to incorporate them in here. Just like that. Okay. Let me see. Maybe I can find a little word here. Ooh, I think there's a sticker that's just words. Yes. Okay. It's kind of a family collection, you know, so it's a lot of family words, but enjoy today. I think that works perfect. I thought maybe I could do something up here. So let's do 2, and that kind of looks like a cluster, so we're going to call that good. I'll try to use this here. I did cut out 1 arrow, so maybe I can use that 1 arrow. Wasn't there another one? Oh, there we go. That's good. Let's put those 2 together. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, I like that, like that. And we can maybe put that arrow here somewhere. Maybe if there's another arrow, I can put the arrow over top. Oh, what's in here? Let's see what we have. Oh, we have flowers. Let's see if there's any left. I have been using these quite a bit, so I kind of don't like the flowers on top of the houses. I don't think I'll ever use it that way. So, you know what? I'm going to cut that off. Okay, so I just ripped a few things up. Let's rearrange stuff here. Let's put this in the background. Then maybe we can put this, and then we'll put the mushrooms over top so that it's like layers. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Just like that. Now there's a little bee here. Let's try to see if we can use that bee. There's butterflies, but they're so big. Ooh, I like that on the frame. I like it on the frame. Let's put it on the frame. Just like that. That's cute. I need a word for here. Let's look at this sticker sheet. This sticker sheet. Oh, one thing I want to talk about is one thing I'm doing this year is as I'm putting these, and maybe I mentioned that. See, I was on the phone for so long. I don't know what I talked about or didn't talk about, but I am taking apart my kits. So if I mentioned it, I'm sorry. But this is going to be good. I'm going to put this with the Simple Stories container. And then eventually I won't have all these baggies everywhere because there's a lot of baggies everywhere. This way I'm going to get it cleaned up. Okay, I like that. Maybe a little lower. I wish it was just a So Very Blessed. I don't like the flower over top. Maybe I can do this one. It just says Blessed. There. That's good. So I got that bee. I got that butterfly. And there's butterfly here. We're going to call that good. Should I put a word over the butterfly? Should I put a word over the butterfly? I guess this is our traditions. Like we like to go hiking. It's like a family tradition kind of thing. We just love doing that. So that works for that. Now, again, I'm going to use this. No enamel dots. I'm just going to do this instead. And I like that. I just do like 3. And this is going to complete this layout. Ooh, no. I think I mentioned that I found this. I found so that I have, what was that in another video? Anyway, from Studio Calico, I have 2020 to 2023. I mean, it's 2012, I think, to 2023. But there was a 3-year gap that I didn't have one of these, and I did. I just found it. It was not where it was supposed to be. So I found it. So I'm really, really happy about that. The only thing is, I wish this wasn't there. But I can put a piece of washi tape on that, stamp it, and then just take the washi tape off. Or I can wipe it, right? Okay, there's something else there. Or just wipe it off. And I don't have any wipes upstairs right now. Okay. And also I'm trying not to go over on that side. So that kind of helps. Then we take this off in case there's ink. And my heading, oh, I was backwards. It's a good thing I checked. And this one, I'll just stamp the one time. Usually I like to stamp 2-3 times, but I'll just do it one time at the bottom. And we'll call it good. As soon as I stop the recording, I'm going to clean up and I'm going to do my journaling. So that's it. That is going to complete the page for today. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, share my videos, share the love. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.